Suffering from muscle soreness or post-workout stiffness affecting daily life. The Fascia Gun 16-head muscle massage gun delivers professional deep tissue massage in your hands. This percussion massager features 16 interchangeable heads designed for different muscle groups. 9 speed modes control intensity from gentle relaxation to deep tissue penetration. The high-torque motor delivers up to 3,200 percussions per minute, breaking up knots, improving circulation, and accelerating recovery. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone with muscle tension, providing relief for legs, back, shoulders, waist, and arms. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling with quiet operation. Long-lasting battery provides hours of use. Percussion massage therapy enhances recovery, reduces soreness, improves flexibility, and promotes wellness. From warm-up to cool-down, from office tension to injury recovery, this tool adapts to your needs. Stop relying on expensive massage appointments. Find the link to professional-grade recovery in the description and comments below.